morning, children. How are you all? Okay, thank you. I'm also fine. Welcome back to our online classes. Yes, in the previous class, we were discussing about the geometrical figures. We discussed about the polygons. That yes, quadrilaterals also. In that, triangles and quadrilaterals. Triangles means the figures having enclosed with the three sides. Here, the figure is enclosed with. Enclosed means it's having three sides, and a figure is having four sides. These are quadrilaterals. Yes, in this square, rectangle, yes, square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, and kite, and about, yes, one more, rhombus, parallelogram, kite, and one more. Which one that is? We discussed about 6 trapezium. One more is trapezium. We discussed all these quadrilaterals, and here the one more new topic is here. This is the plane surface. This is the plane surface enclosed by the sides. Enclosed by its sides. This surface we can call as it's the area of square. This is enclosed by. Enclosed means it is bounded by its, yes, 4 sides. It is bounded by 4 sides. Inside that, enclosed by, it is closed figure. Yes or no? We can call it as a simple closed figure. It is closed with its 3 sides. This enclosed area we can call, this surface we can call, yes, this enclosed surface we can call area of this figure. This is the area of square, and it is the area of this figure. If rectangle you take, yes, opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. This area, this inside area we can call as, this is the area of a rectangle. This is the area of a rectangle. Yes, this is the area of a rectangle, that is given ABCD of PQRS. This is the area of a square, and this is the area of triangle. What does it mean by area? Yes, then we can say the area of a plane figure is its surface enclosed by its sides. Then in today's class, children, we will discuss about the new lesson, that is lesson number 20, area. About lesson 20, area. Area means, yes, the plane surface enclosed by its side. A plane figure is the surface enclosed by its, yes, sides. That we will discuss now. Write the definition of area, and after that we will find here the figure is drawn on board. The figure rectangle, this rectangle figures area, and this triangle figure area, and this square figure area we will find. Yes, this area will measure in meter square, centimeter square, and meter square. Now the area, write the definition of area. Area is a plane surface. Yes, the area of a, write the area of a plane surface. Plane surface is, area of a plane surface or plane figure is, right, plane figure is the surface, is the surface enclosed. The surface enclosed means closed surface, enclosed by its sides. Here there is a surface. This is a plane figure. This area is enclosed by this sides. 1 side, 2, 3, 4 sides. Inside this area we can call it, yes, its enclosed surface is called its area. Now we can write area is expressed. The unit of area, first to write the unit of area is square units. Square units. Square unit means, here units, square meter, square centimeter, square kilometer, like that. Yes, area is expressed as centimeter square or meter square. Area is expressed as centimeter square or a meter square. Yes, we can find the area of this square rectangle. First we will take area of this rectangle from here to here. Each square has 1 centimeter side each. Here this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, this is 1, this is 1. Then you can find the area of in square units only we are finding. Yes or no? How many squares are there? Area of rectangle here. We will name it is area of rectangle A. Rectangle A. Then find the area of A. Area of A is equals to here. In this example, area of A is 8 square units. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This figure we can take. We can consider 8 square units. Then we can write area of A is 8 square units. I told 1 centimeter each. 1 centimeter length. 1 into 1. Then we can write this is 8 centimeter square units. 8 centimeter square centimeter. 8 centimeter square. Sorry, 8 centimeter square, or we can 8 square centimeter, like that we can write. Now area of B. This is figure B. This is figure B. This consists of 1 full, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is half. And this is half. This is half. This is half. Means we can write full square units. Full square units, that is area of B is equals to area of figure B is equals to 6 square units. 6 full are there. Then how many half are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 half are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we know 6 full. This is plus. Yes, 4 half means 2 half together 1. 2 half together 1 means it is equals to 1 plus 1, or you can write 2. Otherwise you can add these like fractions, then get above 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means it is nothing but 2 only. Then we can write it is 8 square units. 8 square units. This is nothing but 8 square units. And one more figure we have here. This is this figure. Yes, this 4 and this side 4. Yes, 4, 4, 4. Yes, this is the square. All sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, yes, 14, 15, 16 square units. We can write area of figure C. Area of C is equals to 16 square units. 16 square units. Very simple. Yes, draw this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares and 6 squares. A girl, you draw square girl. In that, yes, mark this 4 into 2 into 4 rectangle. 2 squares, rows, 4 columns. Yes, this is 8 square rectangle, and this is of 6 full squares, 4 half squares, triangle, and this is the shape of square. This is C. Figure C it is. This is figure B. This is figure A. Now we can find the area of A is 8 square units. Area of B is also 8 square units. Why 8? Only 6 full, 4 half, and we can find area of C is 16 square units. Just write down this neatly in your notebook. We can find with the using formula these areas. You can find here we are counting the square units. Yes or no? Instead of counting the squares, we have the formula. If they given the length, with using of that formula, we can find its area of square, rectangle, and triangle. That we will see now. The formula of, yes, using formula, finding of square. Sorry, finding of area. Yes, that formula we'll write now. This is by using square units. That is simple, this area topic. Yes, we can solve very easily. We know the perimeter. Yes or no? We know the perimeter, that is only the length, the sum of the lengths of the sides. Here, inside enclosed with the sides, that figure surface area we should find. Plane figure surface area. That is, using the formula we can write, yes, area we can find. First one, square. Square, it has 4 sides. All sides length are yes and yes. Yes. We can name. Then area of square is equals to, we can write area of square is equals to yes into yes. Small s into yes. S into S means it is yes and multiply how many square units? How many square units? This rows and column you multiply, then automatically will get this area. This is square units. If they given in centimeter, then centimeter square. If they given in a meter, yes, meter square. This is yes into yes, meter. Then one more we have, that is area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equals to, yes, this is the rectangle. Draw this neatly with the help of ruler. Length, it is length, it is breadth, and it is also breadth, it is length. By using length into breadth, area we can write length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. This is side by side, side into side. This is length into breadth, that is L into B square units. These two formulas are very important. Area of square, side into side, that is side by side into side means S into S. The length into the area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Length into breadth, that is L into B. By using these two formulas, we can find the area of rectangle or area of squares. Yes. Shall we start with the problems? Okay. Write down these two neatly. Now we will solve some examples. We will find the areas. We will find the areas for the given sites. Yes, here in your textbook, page number 162, there are some exercise questions. Find the areas of squares of the given sides. Question number 1. Find the areas of the square. Find the areas of the square for the find the area of squares of the given sides. Of squares of the given sides. Here side A, S is equals to 40 meter. S is equals to 40 meter. Then meter square. What will come? The unit is meter square. Now S, the area of square is equals to, write formula, area of square is equals to S into S. That is 40 into 40. Meter into meter is nothing but meter square. This is meter into meter, no? Yes, that only we can write meter square. 4 fours are 16, 2 zeros you insert. Yes, this is 1600 meter square or 1600 meter square is the area of side having 40 meter. Yes, the second square is S equals to 200 meter. S is equals to 200. Put in the formula, area of square is equals to S into S. 200 into 200 meter square. Now here 2 twos are 4. These 2 zeros right and these 2 zeros right. This is nothing but 40,000 meter square. How much? 40,000 meter square. And one more square area, S is equals to 9.5 centimeter. 9.5 centimeter. Yes, this is single line. Then formula, area of square is equals to S into S. 9.5 into 9.5 centimeter square. 9.5 multiply. Yes, 9.5 95. This is yes, 5 5 are 25. Then we can write here 2 5 9 are 45 plus 47 plus 9 5 are 45, 4 carry, 9 9 are 81, 85. Yes, then 5 12 10 9025 9025. Then we can write here 2 decimals, 90.25 centimeter square. 90.25 centimeter square. This you can do separate or there only by the side of your notebook page. It is 90.25 centimeter square is the area. Next, S is equals to 10.5 meter. 10.5 meter. Then we can find its area. Area of square. Area of square is equals to what? S into S. Here S is side. Then side S is 10.5 into 10.5 meter square. Meter is given, then again it is meter square. If centimeter given, centimeter square. Here meter square. Then 10 tens are 100. Find 5. That we can calculate. Otherwise, or we can 10.5 into 10.5. Yes. Or 10 tens are we know already. Then 0.5 into 0.5. Multiply. 25. Yes, 2 decimals. Yes, we can write 5 zeros, 5 5s are 25, okay, 5 zeros are 0 again, plus 2 is 2, next plus 0 it is, now we can write 2 5, only 2 decimals, then here 0.25 it is. Now 10 into 10 it is 100.25. Yes, or we can calculate easily. 10.5 10.5. Yes, 25 2 again 2 5 ones are 5. Yes, 0 3 0 times 0 plus again 100 5 right. Add 5 2, it is 10, it is 1 1. Then 110.25 is 110. Yes, 105. 2 decimals. Meter square. Yes, write down this one. We'll see this. Yes, after this we can find the area of rectangles. Areas of rectangles for the given length and breadth. Yes. After that, some story problems are there, that also we'll see. Very simple here. Find the areas of rectangles of the given sides. Find the areas of rectangles of given sides. Here, length and breadth are given. You should find its area. 30 centimeter length and 100 centimeter breadth. Yes, length is 30 centimeter, 100 centimeter breadth. We know the formula. What is the formula? Area of rectangle is equals to, we can write, yes, what? Length into breadth, L into B. That is, L is 30 centimeter into 100. Then it is 3 ones are 3, 1, 2, 3 zeros. This is centimeter square. 3000 centimeter square is the area of given rectangle. Yes. And one more, that is L is 30 meter and B is 60 meter. L is 30 meter, breadth is 60 meters. Here in centimeters given, and here they will give in a meter. Square unit will change and breadth also only 60 meter. Now we can write, what is the formula? Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Length is 30 meter, breadth is 60 meter. Then 3 6 are 18. 2 zeros. Yes. Now we can write it is meter square. Meter into meter square. That is 1800 meter square. One more rectangle value we will see now. Very easy it is finding of area. 34, L is 34 centimeter, breadth is 60 centimeter. Breadth is 60 centimeter. Then very easy, yes, find area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equals to L into B, where L is 34 centimeter, B is 60 centimeter. Yes, 34 6 are 204 and 1 0, that is centimeter square. If you have doubt, you can multiply 34 into 60. Yes, these two zeros are 0 plus 6 4s are 24. 4 carry 2 carry 4. 6 3s are 18 plus 2. Yes, 20. Then 4 0 plus, there is no number 0. 4 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus nothing. This 2040. Here 2040 centimeter square. Written up. Okay. Next one. Yes. The length is, total 6 are given, 4 I solve. 80 meter and breadth is 40 meter. Breadth is 40 meter. Very simple. Now, area of a rectangle is equals to, by using formula L into B, L is 80 meter, B is 40 meter. Then 8 4s are 32, 1 0, 2 zeros, then meter square. 3200 meter square is the area for the given rectangle. Yes, simple. This is finding the area. Now write down these all 4 columns and 2 more are there, E and F. We can solve. Next we will go question number 3. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle by counting. Yes, its area by counting the squares. Counting the squares. The square area is 1 centimeter square. 1 centimeter square. Area of the square is, each square is 1 centimeter square. 1 centimeter square means how many squares are there in that triangle? By counting that we can find its area. Yes. Page number, what is the page? 163. 163. There are the figures. Yes, here there are the figure triangle A, B, C. Just count the areas. Count the squares. Question number 3. In this, find the area of triangles. Find the area of the triangles. Yes, A figure is having fully 1 plus 2, 3. 3 full triangles. Figure A area is equals to 3 full triangles and 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4, 5, 6. 6 half triangles. 6 half means we can write, yes, this is nothing but 3. 2 halves together, 1 whole, then again 2 halves together, 1 whole. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3, this is 6 square units. Square units means 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter. Then 6 centimeter square. Triangle area A is equals to 1 centimeter square. Then B. Triangle B. Triangle B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counted. 6 full are there. Then 4 halves are there. 4 halves. Then we can write it is 1, 2, 6, 8 centimeters square. Area of triangle B. It is triangle A. Triangle A. Triangle B. And one more triangle we have, that is triangle C. Count that squares. 3 full squares and 3 half squares. Yes. Then we can write these two together. 1 means it is 4.5 centimeter square. Half means 0.5. Yes or no? Then 4.5 centimeter square is the area of a given figure. Yes, clear? And one more figure is there. Find the area of each figure given the figure. Each of the given figures. Find the area of each. Yes. A, B, C, D, E. Totally 5 are there. You can find half, 2 halves together, 1 full. Yes or no? Like that here. D and E. There is a half. In A, B, C, there is no half. All full square units are there. 1 square is equals to 1 meter square. 1 square here. 1 square is equals to 1 centimeter square. In fourth question, 1 square is equals to 1 meter square. Its area is 1 meter square. A figure. Figure A having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 8 meter square. Figure B. Figure B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we can write 12 meter square. Figure C. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 full squares, 7 meter square. Figure D. Yes, full how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 full are there and halves. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 halves. Then we can write 4 halves together 2. 11 plus 2. This is nothing but 13 meter square. 13 meter square its area. And last figure, that is E. 2 full and 2 halves. 2 full squares, 2 half squares. Then we can write 3 meter square. 3 meter square is the area of figure E. Very simple this one. You can draw the figures in your notebook and write the answers, areas of these. It's very simple. And after this, there is a one more. Yes, question. Simple one. Mindy has a lovely house. She has a a lovely house, and the area of site is given, the length of a site and length of each rooms in the house. How many rooms are there? Then what is the its areas? Everything is given. We can calculate very easily. 1 square is equals to 1 meter square. One block means 1 square. They are thinking that is, yes. Write the question from your textbook, page number 163. I am writing the answer. 1 block is equals to, hint, 1 block is equals to 1 meter square. Same like this only, 1 block is equals to 1 meter square. Yes, then we can find. Write the question. Yes. That is, half block is equals to half meter square, that is nothing but 0.5 meter square. If there is a half block, we can take as 0.5 meter square. If there is a full block, then we can take as it is, yes, how much? 1 meter square. First question, you write A, question 1. In that area of family room, here family room is given. How many rooms are given? First you calculate. Yes, family room, bathroom, kitchen, storeroom, passage and bedroom for children, and master bedroom and balcony and bathroom is given. Yes, 2 bathrooms are there. Now we can find. Yes, read the question first carefully. Minty has a lovely house. She wants to know the area of her house. The plot where Minty house is built is 20 meter into 20 meter length. Yes, this is very important. 20 meter into 20 meter, the plot size. Yes, we can write the plot size is 20 meter into 20 meter. Then observe the floor plan of Minty's house and find the area of each part. First one, area of family room. Observe the family room. Textbook open. Observe the family room. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4 columns, 6 rows. Means it is length and breadth. By using the formula we can find. Yes, 6 into family room, that is area is equals to area of family room, 6 meter into, yes, by counting directly we can find by counting directly, or 6 into, yes, how many are there? 4. Then 6 4s are 24 meter square. Area of family room is 24 meter square. And second one, area of children's bedroom. Yes, 3 into 4. 3 into area of children's bedroom, that is 3 into 4, 12 meter square. 12 meter square. Third one, master bedroom. Master bedroom, how many are there? Yes, 4 into 4. 4 into 4, and this balcony. Balcony is, yes, with the balcony you should count. Master bedroom with balcony, that is 5 into third one. I'll write master bedroom with balcony. Yes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 5 into 4. 20 meter square. 20 meter square. Like this we can find kitchen, storeroom, bathroom and passage. Kitchen, storeroom, bathroom, 2 bathrooms together and passage that we can find. B question I will solve. Yes, question B. This is in that A. Again 3 questions are there, up to 7 are there, again 4, that we can find the area of both the bathrooms together and storeroom, kitchen, passage. Yes. Now question B is total area of Minty's house. Total area of Minty's house. By this also we can find. Otherwise, yes, or we can add this area 24 meter square, 12 meter square, 20 meter square, like that. Total area we can write and we can find. Yes, area of the plot. B, add all. Yes, 3 I calculated, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. These areas you can add, then we get the B answer in meter square. And C is area of the plot. The plot size is 20 into 20. Area of plot is equals to 20 meter into 20 meter, that is 400 meter square. How much area? 400 meter square. Very big it is. Yes or no? 400 meter square. Then next, D one. D question is perimeter of Minty's house. Yes, perimeter is, we can calculate very simple. Yes, the sides length, how many are there, we can count and calculate. Each is 1 meter. The side of each block is 1 meter. Then total how many meters it will come, we can calculate very easily. Yes, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 meter, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and here find 5, 15.5. Yes, 16.5, 17.5, 18.5, 19.5, again find 5, 20, 21, 22, 23, again find 5, 23.5, yes, 24.5, 25.5, 26.5, again this side storeroom, 26.5, 27, 28, 29, 30, 28, 29, 30, again 0.5, here 31, 32, 33, 34.5, 36.5, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 53.5, like that. We can count all this. Yes, the perimeter we can write while counting perimeter of Minty's house. Minty's house we can write. Yes, after that, each one very simple. If the rate of 1 meter square is 15,000, 1 meter square is 15,000, then what is the cost of Minty's house? What you calculated, this one you multiply by 15,000. Multiply by 15,000 rupees, then we get the total cost. Total area of house. Area of house into 15,000. Then we will get the total amount, the cost of house in rupees. Yes, can you do it? Very easy. If you did not get the answer, you can give a call to me. Yes. With this, today I will conclude my class. If you get any doubt about these areas, you can give a call to me. And in next class, we have some story problems on this area. We will solve those. Okay. Thank you.